If you are into crypto, you know the project WIF. WIF reached a market cap all-time high of $4 billion. And what if I tell you that the same deployer deployed also this project? Yes guys, you hear it right. So the same founder of WIF deployed this project almost 1 year ago. I called this project when it was only 500k and it did an all-time high of 25 million. It's insane. Insane gains were made. We saw a huge pullback also, all the way down to 1 million. So we bought back at the bottom. And now I think it's time to see the potential of the team because it's a CTO project. Yes. So I think you're confused right now. The WIF deployer, yes, the WIF deployer deployed at the same time WIF, but also COK. But his focus was going to the WIF because it was a huge success. Now the guys took over with the CTO, the project, and they're doing amazing. From 500k to 25 million, back to 1 million, and now it is back at $7 million. So guys, let's check out the chart of COK. Let's check it out. We can see that the bottom was there. But right now, we are making higher lows and lower highs. And this is an uptrend. We saw an uptrend, we saw a downtrend, and now COK is back for an uptrend. And I want to make a video about the project because I'm still holding my back long term. Why? Because the narrative is there. The narrative of being the first cat on Solana and also deployed by the same deployer as WIF, it's insane. It's insane. This narrative can be huge. And I think COK has really the potential for reaching $100 million market cap or even higher. So what is my prediction about the chart, guys? So I think from 7 million we can go even to 100 million, because if we compare to other projects in this space that are also a huge success, they reach easily 100 million once they get momentum. And I think COK has a huge community. A lot of guys in there are really dedicated. They change the profile pictures. They are really like, it's like a really strong army, and that is what I love about projects when they have it. And also the founders are organizing actively spaces on Twitter, and this is also great to see. And one more thing is so important about this project, that is the guys have a market maker ready. It's called Wintermute, and if you take a look at the list of Wintermute projects, then you will be shocked. For real, you will be shocked if you see this. So it's all Chinese, but if we click on translate, we can see that these are the projects of Wintermute. So the top one is Peppercoin, and then we cannot see the language in the image. But if we check out the message, of the top 20 projects have 90% of all Wintermute projects a minimum market cap of 100 million. And then it says like, again, 30%, because the translation of Chinese to the Netherlands is like a little bit different. But overall, we can see that this list is huge. These are all the projects market maked by Wintermute. We can see Mudeng, Goat, Monke, we can see Ponke, Mok, Mew, Apu, SPX, Nero, Pepe, Michi, Bonk, all great names are in this list. So we can expect some fireworks from COK because the Wintermute guys are not accepting everyone. They only accept the projects that they believe in, of course. So there must be some kind of connection, I don't know what, but the connection is great to have, because when you are in this list and like 80% or 90% are above 100 million, you know what COK can do. There's a lot of potential for this project. If we check out the chart, they had already $25 million market cap, reached back, and now we are on the way almost 50% of the last all-time high. So guys, I am holding my COK, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.